Ever wondered why your Python function cannot change a variable defined outside of it? Don't skip this because understanding the global keyword is a game changer for every Python programmer. When you are writing functions in Python, they create their own local scope. That means they cannot modify variables defined outside of them unless you explicitly tell Python to treat them as global. Part 1: The problem without global. Let me show you what happens when you try to modify a global variable without using the global keyword. X equal 10. Define update. X equal x plus 1. Print x. Call update. X equal 10 is a global variable. Inside the function update, we try to increment it by doing x equal x plus 1, but this will throw an error. Save and run. Control plus S for save, Shift plus F10 for run. We got error. Why the error? Because Python assumes you are creating a new local variable x, but then you are trying to read its value before it's defined. But to fix it using global, now let's fix this using the global keyword. X equal 10. Define update. Global x. X equal x plus 1. Print x. Call update. By adding global x, we tell Python, hey, I am referring to the global x, not creating a new one. Now the increment works fine. Save and run. It's showing error, and this error is previous one. I am going to comment out the problem without statement. Select all. Control plus /. The problem without statement is commented out. Now save and run. We got 11. This prints 11 and It also updates the global variable permanently. You can verify by printing X outside the function after calling it. Part 3. Check the change outside the function. Print after function call, X. This prints the updated value of X, confirming that the change was truly global. Save and run. We got after function call 11. Global lets your function talk to the outer world, modifying variables defined outside its local scope. When not to use global, but we were using global everywhere is a bad practice. It makes your code harder to understand and debug. Prefer returning values from functions when possible. Quick app functions create local scope. Without global, you cannot modify outer variables. Use global when absolutely needed. But better, return values instead of relying on global. Did this finally clear up how global works in Python? Smash that like button if it did, and don't forget to subscribe to Master of Data Science for more crystal clear Python tutorials that level up your skills fast.